Hello friend, my name is Fahri Ferdiansyah from NU Palembang School. Hertatory exposition text. Littering is a bad habit that still happens in many places and has negative effect on the environment. Argument. First, littering can cause flooding because garbage block draining system. Second, it makes the environment dirty and unpleasant. Third, piles of trash can become a breeding place for bacteria and spread diseases that are harmful to humans. Recommendation. Therefore, we should stop littering and always throw garbage in proper bins. Everyone must take responsibility to keep the environment clean and healthy. Thank you, friend.